Here's a system of equations that we're going to solve by the elimination method. The elimination method is much more versatile than the substitution method and should probably be used almost exclusively. It's much easier. We have to have both variables on the same side of the equation in both equations, and they need to be lined up like they are here. Now what we're going to do is multiply both equations by a number so that the variable of our choosing has the same coefficient but opposite signs. And so I'm just going to multiply this first equation by 3, and make sure that you multiply every single term by 3 or whatever number it is that you're choosing. Otherwise you're going to make a mistake. So this is going to be 6x minus 15y equals 6. And now we're going to multiply the second equation by -2 so that we have opposite signs here with our x. And again, I just chose x because it looked like it'd be easier. You could have chosen y and gotten the same result. So we have -6x plus 14y equals -2. And all we have to do is just add straight down. 6x plus -6x is 0, so the x's are eliminated, and that was the whole point of this. -15y plus 14y is -1y, and 6 plus -2 is 4. Divide both sides by -1, and y equals -4. Okay, now we're going to take this information that we just found, and we can plug it into either of these first two original equations, and it doesn't matter which one, and we're going to solve for x. So I'm just going to pick the first equation, and we have 2x minus 5 times -4 now equals 2. So 2x plus 20 equals 2. Subtract the 20 from both sides. 2x equals -18. Divide by 2. X equals -9. Okay, and so just like any other system of equations, if you plug your answers into both of the original equations, it should satisfy both equations if your answers are correct. So let's go ahead and check that real quick. We have 2 times -9 minus 5 times -4, and we're wondering if that equals 2. So we get -18 plus 20, and that does equal 2. So far so good. Let's try it into the second equation, where we have 3 times -9 minus 7 times -4, and see if that's 1. So we get -27 plus 28, and that does equal 1. So we know that we have solved it correctly.